Hey, how are you guys? Welcome back to Quintero Love. Hola, bienvenido de vuelta a Quintero Love. Finally, the results are in, and then I can check here. You can even check from home. You go to the web and you type CJC Combine, Central Jersey Combine, and then you open the app. You go to Schedule Result, Combine Results. The season is 2023, the first race. You can see here CJC race number 1. They were it was on 4/16/2023 Sunday. The liberation was at 10:20 from Freetown, Pennsylvania. 116 fanciers of a total of 1,911 pigeons. You can see there the distance of the loss was from 73 to 135 miles. My love is 95 miles. That means that is kind of in the middle. Congratulations to Church View Love that got the first place, with another of his birds got the second place, and then Hope View that got the third place. And then to check my position, I just gonna go to buy fanciers here, and then I'm gonna keep rolling down until I find myself. And here I am, position 11. My love out of 116 love. If I click here, I'm gonna see the result of all my birds, that clock. And then you can see here I was 27, 28, 72, 92, 96, 126, 127, and 165. I have 8 birds under the 10% of the combine. I feel that is really good, the results. The first two birds, they came together, and then when I open here, you can see that it was 6 minutes and 49 seconds to win. Okay, and here is the thing. As you saw the results, I think that they were really good. Let's hope for this coming week that is gonna be the same. Hopefully, the weather still say that it's gonna be raining. Hopefully it clear out and it's gonna be a nice day. One point that I wanna say, all these birds were my young birds from the season. I didn't separate any and left just the best. I just left all of them because I just have like 20 something. I wanna leave like a whole team to race. That means that I cannot expect like good results from all of them. Like most of them didn't do that well when they were racing as a young birds. That means that probably as an old bird they won't do that well either. But I'm gonna check. I'm gonna race all of them through the season, and hopefully the best of them just show up, and those are the ones that I'm gonna leave for here for my love. But let's see, at least I have like a larger team and not just few birds, and then I can actually try all of them as a yearling also, Ahí, como le estaba diciendo, el resultado fue bastante bueno. Vamos a ver cómo sale esta semana. Están dando que va a haber agua, pero vamos a ver si aclara y hace el fin de semana bueno. Todas estas palomas fueron las que me volaron a mí cuando palomas nuevas, y las dejé todas, no saqué ninguna. Y de aquí que hayan buenas palomas, no son muchas, son las menos, yo creo. Estoy seguro que son las menos, que no hicieron nada cuando palomas nuevas, y lo que hice fue dejarlas todas para tener un equipito más grande para volar como palomas viejas, y no espero de todas resultados buenos, así que las expectaciones no son tan altas en todas. Algunas sí espero que vuelen bien, pero otras no. Y entonces cuando se acabe la temporada sí voy a escoger ya las que quiero dejar, y las otras sí voy a salir de ellas, las que no volaron bien como pichones ni volaron bien como palomas de un año. Muchas gracias por ver el videito, un video corto aquí solo enseñando los resultados. No quería dejar los resultados sin mencionar del fin de semana. Si te gusta el video, dale like y suscríbete al canal. Nos vemos la próxima. Okay, you like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. And see you the next weekend for another race.